Hello children, today we are going to learn patterning in the notebook. So first, in the left corner you have to write the date. So today's date is 10.9.20, that is 10th September 2020. Now below that you will write C.W. Now what is patterning? Children, do you know what is patterning? Patterning means to repeat or follow the sequence. So first we will start with a simple pattern. Now here in the second box we will draw a ball. Children, you all know how to draw a ball. Yes? A ball and then a lollipop. Isn't it simple? So this is called a basic pattern. Now what's next? Yes, ball. So you have to follow the basic patterns, means you have to repeat it. Now ball, and then what is next? Lollipop. Yes. Now it's a lollipop. When you have to repeat the basic pattern, you need to draw a first picture of basic pattern, that is ball, and then a lollipop. A ball and then a lollipop. Okay? See, now it's extending. So this way you have to extend the pattern. Okay? A ball and a lollipop. So this is called patterning. Now leave one box and then here we'll take a simple pattern. One standing line and in the next box one sleeping line. This is called a basic pattern. So you have to repeat it. Now what will come next? Yes, one standing line and then one sleeping line. So it's a repetition of the pattern. This way you can extend it till the end. Okay? Now whenever you draw a pattern, you have to say and write. So it will be easy for you. Now again leave one box and here you have to draw a triangle. And all these pictures you have to draw by touching the bottom line. Okay? Now one more triangle. And then a circle. Now see, this is a basic pattern. Two triangles and one circle. So now what will be the next? After the circle? Yes, again we have to draw a triangle. Now one triangle or two? Yes, you have to draw two triangles because there are two triangles in the basic pattern. So two triangles, one circle. Now what will be the next? Yes, two triangles and one circle. Same way you have to extend till the end. Now again you have to leave one box and in this box you have to draw an arrow showing upward direction and next to it one more arrow showing downward direction. Okay? And again same arrow showing downward direction. Okay? So this is the basic pattern. One arrow going up and the other two arrows coming down. Now again you have to follow the sequence. One arrow up and two arrows coming down. Yes, see, 1 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down. So this way you have to extend the pattern. Now again leave one box, and here we'll draw a flower, but an incomplete flower, that is a flower with 2 petals. Now in the next box, a flower with 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then a flower with 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a stem. So it's a complete picture of a flower. So you have to do this with the 3 steps. Okay? Yes, now the flower is complete. Now again you have to repeat it. Okay? Now again what will come next? Yes, a flower with 2 petals. Now a flower with 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and now what's next? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals and a stem. Okay? Now again you have to repeat it or extend the pattern. So what will be the next? Yes, a flower with 2 petals. Then a flower with 5 petals. Okay, and again a flower with 5 petals and a stem. So your picture is complete. Okay, so this way the pattern can extend. Now same here, as you can see, for homework it's given 1 flower and 1 leaf. Then next is 2 standing lines, 2 sleeping lines. Yes, so again here 1 moon and 2 stars. So this way you have to extend. Then 2 flags and again another 2 flags facing each other, means 2 flags facing to the right and 2 flags facing to the left. So you have to extend it. Yes, and now here you can see a cone, an empty cone. Yes, and then with a scoop. Again cone, scoop and cherry on the top, and at the end 2 lines to the cone. So it's a complete picture of a ice cream cone. So this way you have to extend it. Okay, so this is called patterning. Okay children, you have to follow the same and extend the pattern till the end. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.